Hi everyone, I'm Miss Nara, a senior physics teacher in HOTS Education. And I will be your mentor for this enrichment program entitled DC Circuits. For this enrichment program, we will be discussing the different laws that govern your practical circuits, such as the Kirchhoff's first and second law, the different physical quantities that are involved in circuits, such as resistances, currents, voltages, as well as the different arrangement for the resistors. We have series, parallel, and the combination. And of course, we will also discuss the concept of internal resistances. Not only this, each week you will have the chance to try on the new knowledge that you've gained through our weekly quizzes, and you will also be provided with the answers so you could also gauge yourself and your progress. And by the end of our course, we will also get to see sample practical experiment wherein we could apply the knowledge that we have used. This is actually based from past AS examinations, so you could use this knowledge and apply them in your future AS exams too.